In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional business email in Google Workspace. Open your browser and search for Google Workspace. On the official Workspace site, click Start Free Trial to begin. When prompted, choose to create a new account for business. You'll be asked for basic company details, your business name, how many people work there, and the country where you operate. Enter accurate information. It helps Google tailor the setup and ensures your billing and legal settings are correct. Next, provide your name and a current email address you can access right away. Google uses this for important notifications and account recovery, so pick an inbox you actually monitor. Click Next to continue. You'll now decide how to handle your domain. Select Get a new custom domain if you don't have one yet. If you already own a domain, you can choose the alternative option to use it instead. Continue with the method you selected. Type the business domain you want. Keep it short, easy to spell, and aligned with your brand. Click the check icon to see if it's available and view the annual price. Domains are paid, so choose one that fits both your identity and budget. When you're happy with the choice, click Next. Enter your business address, including the correct postal code and a reachable phone number. These details support domain registration and verification, so make sure they're accurate. Click Next to proceed. Create your primary user. Choose a professional username. Your first name or a role-based address like info can work well. This becomes your new email at your domain. Set a strong password and confirm it. Use a mix of characters and store it securely in a password manager. You'll see optional checkboxes for things like product emails or announcements. Select only what you want to receive to keep your inbox focused. Finally, review the terms, agree, and click Continue. Google will finalize your account, provision your services, and, if needed, guide you through verifying your domain and connecting it to Workspace. That's it. You've just set up a professional business email in Google Workspace, ready for Gmail, Calendar, Drive, and more.